Curious about Tata Zest's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard is designed for a driver-focused experience with an ergonomic layout and intuitive accessibility. It enhances functionality with seamless integration of controls and a modern, performance-oriented aesthetic. The display provides real-time vehicle data, including speed, fuel level, trip information, and warning alerts. It features a modern, high-visibility design for enhanced driver convenience. The instrument cluster features an analog digital display that provides vital information like speed, RPM, fuel level, and engine warnings. It is designed for clear visibility with a blue backlit theme for a premium look. The climate control system features automatic temperature regulation with rear AC vents for uniform cooling. It includes an intuitive control panel for adjusting fan speed, temperature, and airflow distribution. The Tata Zest comes with two engine options, a 1.2-liter Revitron turbo petrol and a 1.3-liter Quadrajet diesel, 75 PS, 90 PS, 190, 8 Nm/200 Nm, both paired with a 5-speed manual or AMT diesel only. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, turn signal. Brake warning light, high beam. TOD indicator, battery charging. Diesel preheat indicator, malfunction indication lamp. Low engine oil pressure indicator, low fuel indicator. High temperature warning, water and fuel indicator. ABS indicator, traction control. Immobilizer warning, seatbelt reminder, warning light. Front fog lamp, rear fog lamp. Service lamp, driver door open. Co-driver door, rear left door. Rear right door, tailgate open. Cruise control, brakes overheated warning light. Speed limit warning indicator, driver seatbelt warning. Front passenger seatbelt indicator, daytime running lamps -DRL. EPAS Eco. City Sport.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.